Okay. Hi. Oh.
You okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, careful. Oh.
Kaboom.
Boom. Too much candy
Gotta get
in
that
there.
kid.
Okay. Want Mommy hold this?
Okay.
We'll hold it together. It's getting heavy for us.
Too much. Too much.
Too much?
Go down.
You're doing good, Abby. You're doing good.
After the wall.
You want to go to that ghost house?
Okay.
Ooh, big ghost.
We're going to go to the ghost house. Okay, come with Mommy. No, nobody's here. At
Oh,
this
she wants to go to this
Nobody's at
house.
this house. We have to go across the street. Here we go. Okay. Look at Minnie Mouse here. Okay. We're going to go to the ghost house. Look at the big ghost. You see the big ghost? You saw it. Ooh, they got music.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
You lost your ears, Abby.
Ooh, you hear it? Look, you get a piece of candy. Okay, trick or treat. Yeah.
Minnie
Take a piece of candy.
My cousins are there.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.